Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. So this is my Husqvarna PW3200 Pressure Washer, and what's happening is when I'm using it, I'm getting a lot of water leaking right from here. No matter how tight this is, it's still squirting out, and I'll show you what the issue is. So once you get these unscrewed, there's a small O-ring there. And what happens is you can actually see that this O-ring actually has a split in it. So no matter how tight this is, it's still going to leak. So what you have to do is replace this O-ring. Now this is quite common on other pressure washers. So I picked up a O-ring kit through Amazon. I believe it was around $14 plus tax. So we're going to pop out the old O-ring on this, and we're going to match it up, and we're going to swap it out. And as you can see, there's the old O-ring. And just matching it up, it looks to be a 7/16 by 3/32 O-ring. That one right there. Alright, so we're going to reinstall the new O-ring. And the new O-ring's installed. And you can reinstall the wand. And there we go, it's all fixed. Again, it's just one small O-ring in there. Again, I purchased the kit off Amazon for $14 with many different sizes. Again, that O-ring probably costs about 5 cents, and this is the most common issue with pressure washer wands leaking between here and here. A lot of people are going out and actually replacing the whole wand. And again, you can see how simple the fix is. It's very cheap and literally takes 20 seconds to do. Anyways, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe and thumbs up button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for myself or other viewers, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.